And supporters of the Jamaica Labour Party were in a festive mood both inside and outside the national arena, with many expressing satisfaction with their party, but not without some concerns. With that story, here's TVJ's Giovanni Dennis.
Oh, show 'em say straight.
Sentiments from one supporter. On the inside, messages, music and a massive mixture of JLP members past and present. On the outside, fashion, food and festivities as supporters of the Jamaica Labour Party celebrated recent election victories.
We done the PNP, we last them. Yes, party PNP last. Okay, I'm see back. Peter Phillips and see back seat again fly.
Hardly Shaw doing something about the dollar. In a slide gone back down yet, but it's getting there.
Jamaica Labour Party moving on to progress. Lift up in Jamaica. Jamaica Labour Party are the best party in Jamaica. Now, to me, 53-year-old me upon it. From my 18-year-old me I do Labour right thing.
One supporter disclosing that she switched allegiance.
Don't I said Mary him go through water where Peter Phillips now do. I switch. Me was dieted and me switch. Kawa, Andrew only straight.
Another supporter even crafting a song.
We're too blessed to be stressed, we're too rich to be poor. The poor people cry, the PNP, them are ignore. Give Andrew a chance, just once more. As if the economy no come better in Singapore. Them know if we win election, them can't run country. We don't put them in a power and we're dead in a poverty. Give Andrew a chance and the whole I want to say how we move from poverty and to prosperity. Show for that.
But while many of the JLP supporters were in a celebratory mood, many of them also had several concerns. More jobs, less crime and better roads were some of the concerns that supporters of the Jamaica Labour Party want to have addressed.
We need to get rid of the gunman them and put them on some stiff penalty and them to start mash up the country and make the Prime Minister can move on with the country.
We want more jobs and we need the road to fix.
I want to beg all the young people and the gunman them is to put down the gun and make we move prosperity to fulfillment, honesty to God. I want the youth them just put down the gun. I beg them to put it down.
Go around in the constituency where the gun are fire and them things there. Go around and talk to the youth them. Make them know say a time for them stop the foolishness because it now really benefit them. And then again, try find some work for them. That them can uplift themselves.
Only thing left now, I want to work. KPH, please and thanks, Mr. Christopher Tufton.
But even while expressing these concerns, supporters said they were confident things will improve. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.